Hi folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So you may recall that I bought a cheap and cheerful purchase from, I can't remember whether it was Aldi or Lidl the other week, and I've found a use for it straight away. So it was a magnetic tray, and this item here, look, I had to remove the case for it, and there's a number of screws in there. And also I've got another little project in mind, and out of a big box of screws I identified a number of screws which would be very helpful in this project. So whilst I had a few minutes before I left the other week, I thought I'd just put them to one side, chuck them in a drawer, and as you can see, you know, if you just put them in a drawer in the bottom of a toolbox or something or other, you know, you do lose them, you lose track of them. But as you can see, this is proving to be very useful indeed. So there we go, look, one of the little cheapo impromptu purchases which I made a couple of weeks ago. Look, it is coming in handy already, and for a couple of quid, I think that's about £2.50, you know, it's certainly worth having, and a useful addition to my toolkit. Thanks for watching.